Welcome back to Rockin Your Song Craft, an educational series that will help you level up your songwriting today. Brought to you by the Song Haven and Groove Master Academy. This episode will help you unleash your musical stories, using the building blocks of verse, chorus, and bridge. Each of these building blocks is composed of two separate but interdependent elements: the storytelling element and the technical element, like two sides of the same coin. Let's start with the verse. Storytelling-wise, the verse is where characters and emotions come to life. The first verse introduces the story, just like a city skyline sets the scene for a grand tale. Each following verse moves the arc of the story forward. In the technical sense, the verse uses the same chords and melody, but the words change each time. The repetition of melody and chords is the common thread, tying the story together. The verse moves the story forward and keeps the listener engaged. Now, let's move on to the chorus. Storytelling-wise, the chorus conveys the song's core message, a moment of unity and connection with another human being. In most popular music styles, the chorus contains the title. This is also where you put the all-important hook, the main idea that sticks in people's heads. In a technical sense, the chorus repeats the melody, chords, and lyrics. If you have done your job well, the listener will be humming your hook when the song is over. Lastly, the bridge, a contrasting section that adds intrigue and variation, similar to crossing an amazing bridge on a journey. Storytelling-wise, the bridge is where surprises happen, just like the thrill of a roller coaster ride. It takes us on a new emotional journey before returning to familiar ground. In a technical sense, the bridge is where you have the greatest musical flexibility. Here you can introduce new material. You can increase the sense of going on an emotional journey by using devices such as a key change, an unexpected chord, or any number of the plethora of devices available to you. Understanding how to use the verse, chorus, and bridge in your songwriting is key to creating impactful and memorable songs. A couple of closing thoughts from this video's creator. 1. Great songwriting finds just the right balance between expression and structure. Expression means getting those things that burn inside you out, and structure means forming your ideas around universal themes and forms that helps you connect with others. 2. A great song is like a frozen moment in time we can step into and share a human connection. That first kiss, the joy of meeting someone new, a personal triumph, any strong emotion. Frozen forever in the vibrations of music. That's all for now. Thank you for joining us at the Song Haven, brought to you by Groove Master Academy. Please join us again for more great educational content, and always remember, you are capable and valuable. If you learned something today, perhaps we have earned a subscription from you, and we would love to hear in the comments what topics you would like us to cover. Until then, keep grooving, keep exploring, and keep writing those amazing songs.